Are you tired of stuffing your clothes into a basic backpack every time you travel for a weekend? Say hello to your new ultimate travel companion, the LOVEVOOK Weekender Bag. This bag is an absolute game changer for short trips, business travel, or overnight stays. It is fully waterproof, incredibly durable, and designed to keep you organized on the go. It features a massive main compartment, a dedicated padded pocket that protects your laptop, and plenty of extra space for your everyday essentials. Plus, it is completely airline-approved, fitting perfectly under your seat or in the overhead bin. No more stressful packing or paying for extra luggage fees. If you are ready to upgrade your travel style, you can grab yours right now. Just click the official Amazon link located down in the video description below. Trust me, your shoulders will thank you. Get yours today before your next adventure.